Alright, now here is the second part of the intro, which can be played two different ways. There's the first way, which is played on 2 strings, and another way which is played on 1 string. Let's do the 1 string way first because it's slightly easier. I will use a pick on this. The other way is easier using your fingers. What we're doing is starting up here on your B string, 14th fret, with your first finger is best, I think, because we're going to go up from there. So plug that there, and then we're going up 2 frets to our 16th fret, and actually I believe to make this sound right you want to do it like this. So we're going to pluck 14, pluck 16, bend a semitone, a half tone up to 17. Alright, so we're going to go and then release it and bend it back up to 17 and hold it. So we're going to go. Maybe put a little vibrato on there. Let's do that again. Alright, then we're going to come 16. Oops, we're going to bend 16, 14, 12, 14, 12. This is all on the B string, and then the 13th fret on the G string. So let's do that again. One more time, very slowly. So it's probably good to do a little hammer on right there when you're coming back. So do it one more time with this added hammer on. Okay, so then we repeat, but we have a second ending, just like the other part of the intro. Then we come, instead of coming back up, we go straight to here, then down. So we're on 13th fret G string, 11th fret G string, 9th fret G string. Almost missed it there. Let's do that again. Okay, one more time real slow. Alright. The other way to do it is with your fingers, playing it on mainly top 2 strings, but we do go over to these, to the second, the G and B strings. So B and E strings to start. 12th fret, 14th fret, 14th fret, 16th fret, and we're going to do an uneven slide up. So we're sliding 2 frets here and 1 fret here. So we're sliding from this one 14 to 16, this one 16 to 17. Plug it again, back to 14, 16, back to 12, 14, down to 11, 12, 11, 12. Let's do this again. Then we come back up to 12, 14, back to 11, 12, then we jump over to 12, 13, 12, 13 on the B and G strings. Do it again real slow. Okay, then we do it again with a different ending. There's a pattern here. Here's where it's different. We go straight from here instead of going back up. we come over to this little chord, the 12, 13 to 12, 13 to 10, 11, 10 and 11, and then 9, 9. So let's do that again. One more time, very slow. Alright, now for the chords of the song. During the verse of the song, the chords are C sharp minor, A, and E. Okay? And the way that we are playing them, the way that John plays them, is he likes to wrap his thumb around for the bass note and then play the rest of them with his fingers. A lot of people play a bar chord like that. So in essence what we're doing is we're playing all these notes and then these two up here. So 9th fret, 11th fret, 11th fret on your A and your D string. So what we're doing is 9th fret with your thumb, 11th fret with 3rd and 4th finger on your A and your D string, and then your first finger barring the rest of them. Oops. Alright, so we're doing this one. So we can just, the rhythm is the okay, so we're going C sharp minor, then we're going to A, and so this is just an A major form, like barring these two on your 5th fret, 6th fret, 7th fret, actually 7th fret and 7th fret, pinky and your 3rd finger on the A and D strings, and then your thumb. So barring these two, it's like an F chord, but add your pinky, so you just move your ring finger over one, put your pinky there, then put your thumb around here. So it's just like a bar chord like this, but it's right here. 5th fret means it's an A. If we played it up here, which we will later, it'll be a B. Okay? So we're going from C sharp minor, A, and we don't stay on A long, then we're jumping right to an E. Alright, now what this E chord consists of is an open E string, then I'm muting the A string by placing my 3rd finger up against this string so it doesn't make any sound. Then it's mashing down here on the 6th fret on the D string. Then my first finger on the G string on the 4th fret. Then my second finger, 5th fret B string. A lot of stuff here I'm messing up. And that gives you an E chord. You can do it just a regular E, but I believe this is what John does. And it's right there, changing from the A to the E. And it gives you a good sound. So we're going from C sharp minor. See that? So that's the verse of the song. And then I guess technically the next part would be the pre-chorus, and so this part I'll play it real quick so you can recognize it. It goes. Alright, so what we're doing here is we're doing a B chord, just like we did this A, but we're doing a B. But because we're doing a slight variation in this chord, we're going to leave the pinky off, and we are just going to mute that A string by either wrapping your thumb over to it or letting it touch this string.